Number 15, this definitely looks like a quotient rule, but there is no such thing as the quotient rule for integration. So we're not going to be using any kind of quotient rule. So I'm actually going to split this up. So this will be the integral. So the x in the denominator, you're allowed to give that to both the x and the plus 1 on the numerator, making it a x over x plus 1 over x dx. And then if I simplify this, x over x becomes 1 plus 1 over x dx. And then I can actually integrate. So if you integrate a 1, it becomes just an x. You can put 1x if you really want to. Plus 1 over x becomes ln of x, and this is going to be plus c. So definitely a little bit of work at the beginning, but the integral itself is not that bad.